The wait is over. After months of speculation, late-night tweets, and endless testing, Tesla has finally released full self-driving version 14, and it's a game changer. This isn't just another software patch, it's a major leap in how Teslas think, see, and drive in the real world. But behind all the excitement lies one big question. Is this truly the future of autonomous driving, or just another step in Tesla's long road to full autonomy? Let's dive deep into everything new, everything improved, and everything that still needs work in Tesla FSD v14. Version 14 is the culmination of Tesla's new end-to-end neural network system, a unified architecture that processes everything from navigation to decision-making using real-time camera feeds. In simpler terms, your Tesla isn't just following preset maps anymore. It's learning to interpret the world, just like a human driver. With this update, Tesla claims that FSD is now more aware, more adaptable, and smarter than ever before. So what's really changed? One of the headline features is arrival options. For the first time, your Tesla lets you choose how it finishes a drive, whether to stop at the curb, the driveway, the garage, or even a parking lot. It might sound small, but this brings a new layer of control and convenience, especially in tight urban spaces or home setups where parking precision matters. Imagine pulling up to your house after a long day. Your Tesla automatically recognizes your driveway, turns smoothly in, and parks itself right where you want it. No input needed, no stress. Another major improvement comes in emergency vehicle handling. In earlier versions, Tesla sometimes struggled to recognize sirens or flashing lights. Now, FSD v14 can detect and respond intelligently, pulling over, slowing down, or yielding to ambulances and police vehicles. This isn't just a quality of life upgrade, it's a crucial step towards safe coexistence with real-world unpredictability. And for the first time, FSD integrates emergency detection into its visual model, meaning it doesn't rely on static map data. It's seeing and reacting live, just like we do. Tesla has also made a huge stride by integrating navigation and routing directly into the car's vision-based neural net. That means no more dependency on static map data. If a road is blocked, if construction pops up, or if there's a sudden detour, FSD can now reroute on the fly. It sees the obstacle, understands it, and finds a new path all in real time. This new integration also improves lane selection, intersection logic, and route optimization. Drivers are reporting smoother transitions, fewer abrupt lane changes, and far more human-like flow through traffic. It's like giving your Tesla a personality switch. Choose whether it drives like a Sunday cruiser or a confident highway pro. FSD v14 also introduces smarter obstacle and debris handling. Tesla's cameras can now identify small hazards like road debris, cones, or potholes more reliably, and make subtle path corrections without sudden braking. It's smoother, safer, and less jarring for passengers. And for anyone who's had an FSD disengagement mid-drive, there's good news. Tesla claims version 14 can recover more gracefully from faults. If the system detects confusion or a loss of confidence, it can hand control back to the driver more seamlessly or attempt a self-correction before disengaging. This makes every drive feel less robotic and more like a true partnership between human and machine. Now, Tesla didn't just upgrade how the car drives, it also improved how it sees. The camera system now features a self-diagnosis and cleaning alert feature. If a lens is obstructed by dirt, rain, or debris, the system notifies the driver immediately, and in some models, the car can activate a built-in cleaning mechanism. That means fewer camera-blocked errors and more consistent visibility in bad weather. And speaking of visibility, Tesla refined the on-screen FSD visualizations. The new interface gives clearer path predictions, more stable lane rendering, and better indicators of what the car is perceiving. A small but meaningful improvement for user confidence. Early testers are already putting FSD v14 through their paces, and the footage is impressive. In one viral clip, a Tesla automatically pulls over to let an ambulance pass, waits patiently, then merges back into traffic. In another, the car navigates a multi-level parking garage, detects barriers, and finds an open space without hesitation. Users are praising how natural it feels, less jerky, more human-like, and significantly smoother than version 13. You can almost feel the AI's growing awareness with every turn. But it's not flawless. Some drivers still report phantom braking in complex city environments, lane confusion on unmarked roads, and hesitation at four-way stops. Tesla calls this supervised FSD for a reason. It's still learning, and it still needs you to pay attention. And that brings us to the reality check. Despite the hype, FSD v14 is not level 5 autonomy. It's still driver assistance, not driver replacement. You must remain ready to take over at any moment. The system can misinterpret edge cases, unusual intersections, unpainted lanes, or erratic drivers. It's far better than before, but not immune to mistakes. Tesla has improved the neural network's ability to predict intent, like a pedestrian about to cross, but uncertainty remains. As regulators continue to watch closely, Tesla is labeling this as FSD supervised, emphasizing that the driver is still legally and physically responsible. Hardware limitations also play a role. Only Teslas with Hardware 4, the newest sensor and compute suite, can fully utilize every V14 feature. Older vehicles will still benefit, but may experience reduced capability or slightly slower visual processing. It's Tesla's quiet push towards future-proofing, making sure that their vehicles evolve alongside their AI roadmap. So, what does this all mean for Tesla owners right now? In daily life, you'll notice more confident lane changes, smoother acceleration, and smarter reactions to changing road conditions. Arriving home feels more intuitive. Parking feels more natural, and in heavy traffic, the car's patience or assertiveness can be fine-tuned to your preference. It's an evolution in how the car behaves and how much you trust it. Still, this is only the beginning. Tesla's engineers have hinted that FSD v14.1 and v14.2 will refine these models even further, with additional safety layers, smarter route prediction, and even better corner case handling. The system will continue to learn from the millions of miles driven every day by Tesla owners worldwide. Every corner, every stop sign, every obstacle, all feeding back into a global neural network that gets smarter over time. That's the essence of Tesla's vision, a fleet that learns collectively, improving as one. So, is FSD v14 the breakthrough we've been waiting for? In many ways, yes. It's more capable, more thoughtful, and more dynamic than any version before it. But we're still on the journey. Full autonomy isn't here yet, and maybe it won't be for a while. Still, with v14, Tesla has proven one thing beyond doubt. They're not slowing down. Every update brings us one step closer to the dream, a car that drives itself safely and reliably through any environment. Until then, it's our job to stay alert, stay curious, and stay ready for the next leap forward. FSD v14, another milestone in a story that's still being written, a story of innovation, risk, and relentless pursuit of the future. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next update. Tell us in the comments, which feature excites you the most? Would you trust your Tesla to drive itself today? Thanks for watching. And as always, drive safe and stay ahead of the curve.